in our new apartment, though it looks the same because we're in the same building, but a different unit. But today is a big unpacking day for my makeup room. We spent the first couple of days focusing like on the kitchen, the bedroom, the living area, but I gotta get my makeup room done, so we're gonna do that together. But first, coffee and a workout. Okay, it's lunchtime now before I get started on today's tasks. We're having Cook Unity. A huge shout out to Cook Unity for sponsoring today's video. I have been using their food, or eating their food, for a few weeks now. Jose and I are obsessed with it. This is for you lazy people who don't like to cook. We have so much less dishes, and the food is really, really yummy, really great portion size. Ooh, this one's Jose's. Does that look good? Ooh, and these are the avocado chicken tacos. And I still have a bunch of avocado left over, a lot of beans, some chicken, so they did not skimp on the protein. Ruben Garcia does it again. We love his food. Okay, taste test time, the avocado chicken tacos. It is in my deepest desires to have a foodie slash mukbang channel slash TikTok, so I am all for this. So good, so well seasoned. And your plate over.
Okay, my turn.
No, this is Jose's pork food.
I got a piece of everything. I already tasted the potato and it's really good. So.
There's hecka
Delicioso.
mashed potatoes. I'm a mashed potato connoisseur. It's really good.
Yeah.
So anyways, shout out to Cook Unity for giving me a discount code for you guys. If you use the code morganturner50 at checkout, can you stop cutting?
No, that's what I ate it.
It will get you 50% off your first order at Cook Unity. So that is such a good deal to get some meals already made for you. So how Cook Unity works, it's not like a frozen food delivery. It's fresh food that they'll give you in a bag that has a big ice block to keep it cool. So Cook Unity is the first chef-to-you meal delivery service. They have over 60 chefs, and each week the award-winning chefs craft hundreds of globally inspired meals. You guys know I love my Asian food. They have a lot of Asian options just from all around the globe, really. They have everything from vegetarian to paleo, everything in between that you might need. And the menu rotates every week, so there's always something new to try. So this is my order for this week, which is perfect because we are so busy after moving. We have our kitchen barely set up. We have not gone grocery shopping, and I got stuff to do, so that is why this is so convenient. And by the way, what I like is, like, if you go out of town or anything, you can skip for the week so you don't get it delivered, and they literally deliver it to your front door. You don't have to like lift a finger other than choosing the meals you want to eat. So we have few different options. This one is really good. The shrimp cavatappi, if I said that right, from Ruben Garcia. We really like his food. Michelle Bernstein has shrimp scampi spaghetti. We have some chicken with Israeli couscous risotto, avocado chicken tacos, shrimp, I don't even know how to pronounce these. They're so cool, so different to try. Also super easy and fast to heat up. Some meals require different ways of like warming them up, but most of the time you just do the microwave. So definitely check the link down below, see what they have to offer. And thank you to Cook Unity for sponsoring this portion of today's video. I'm gonna take my time eating this because I'm not ready for what's next. Most exciting part of the vlog, I'm going to show you my new beauty room. Now, if you missed it, this past year, my husband and I have been living in a one-bedroom apartment, and you guys know how much makeup I have. It became too small, too fast, but the prices in Miami, it was impossible. Got a good deal on this apartment, and we now have a 2-bedroom. So let me show you my space. It's not cute right now. That's what we're working on. I have not unpacked. But look, I have a whole room, and I'm actually so excited about this closet to put all of my extra junk. So the plan is, this I'm gonna keep for like special occasion dresses, really fancy dresses and shoes, just to make room in our main closet. So I'll keep that stuff here. This is not my fancy clothes. I put them there when I was moving. And then I have my favorite fancy PR boxes, some of my makeup stuff when I was a makeup artist, and then my lighting and stuff. And then I just bought these at Target. I am going to put like my PR and my giveaway stuff in here. I think I actually want to buy one more. They're pretty cheap. It was like $25 for each one. So I think I want to get a third one. So that's the plan here, just to hold the ugly stuff. Lots of unboxing that needs to happen. We're also having our little home gym section in here as well. So I have my Peloton and my workout stuff here. But some of this might look very familiar to you, how I have it set up so far, right? This was how my old beauty room was kind of set up. Wasn't ready to give it up yet. I am going to replace this for a white one eventually, but I'm going to see my parents next week, so that is on hold. So this will change to white, but I do have this set up as similar, and then I have these Alex drawers. So this is what we got to battle today, because I have to start working. Oh my gosh, wait, I forgot to show you. I have my own bathroom now too. I'm so excited. I'm going to make it so girly, nice and colorful. But this is all of my skincare stuff I'm going to put in this thing I bought a few years ago from IKEA. I have all of this under sink storage. I'm so stinking excited for this as well. But the bathroom is probably... This is a different beast. This is a different video. We're focusing on this today. Okay. So this box I labeled giveaway / donation PR. I'm gonna put this in that thing I got from Target. I'm actually gonna send a bunch of packages to my Beauty Buff subscribers. So I'm going to organize this to help me pull packages from them just to celebrate 200K. So I'm going to start with all of the PR stuff that I can, transferring it from here to here. I'm going to play a podcast while this is happening. Or makeup! Oh my goodness, so I got through these giveaway unused makeup stuff that I don't want, so I'm going to do definitely some giveaways and then definitely some donation runs because just a lot of makeup. But for now, I'm just going to keep them here, so let me pop these guys in. Face, eyes, lips. I have like a lot of like baggies and stuff that I throw in when I do giveaways, and like tools, body care stuff in here as well. So I think I'm gonna do a skincare drawer first, and then we'll see what we're working with. So I'm just like, this is some skincare I'm gonna put in here. But yeah, we're definitely gonna need another one. Either that or no, I'll give away some stuff first before I buy another one. Okay, so looks so much better. We got so many boxes out, but what is this? So right here is PR that I've gotten in the last like couple of weeks that I need to sort through. I kind of need to push it to the side, but here in these boxes, except for this box was stuff that was like out in my room that I need to like put on top of surfaces once I clean it up. But a lot of this is untried PR that I chose to keep for myself. The plan is I want to put it in one of the clear containers that I need to buy from Target So I'm gonna move these over to my closet. Okay, so I'm about to make that closet that I just cleaned super messy again to put my untried makeup boxes in there, but I'll get that container from Target. But we gotta clean up this floor because I can't concentrate without it being done. Oh God. It's too much. I guess this beautiful Ilios mirror, but I'm going to give it away to somebody in my apartment because I have too many mirrors in here, so I'm gonna bring this downstairs. Okay, enjoy this time lapse of me figuring my head out. Here we go. So this bit looks a little crazy. It's just a lot of my luxury favorites slash things that I'm like testing out, like this Kosas. But these are some of my all-time favorite foundations. The plan is in a few weeks, once I've settled in, I'm gonna buy a bigger unit of this and then I'll have enough space to put these. But for now, these are gonna stay here, and then I'm gonna put some brushes down here. We're actually getting towards the finish line for the general organization. This is honestly like haunting me. But once this is done, it'll be pretty good for me to start working. But just know, within these drawers is an absolute mess. I'm gonna handle this off camera, but since I only moved units in my building, I wasn't about to take all this makeup out, so I tried to conserve the drawers that I just organized, by the way. Check out my most recent drawer organization for my drugstore slash affordable collection. So I just organized these, but they still got really messed up in the move, even though I put sweatshirts on. So I need to go through and pull out the sweaters and make sure nothing broke. But that's off camera stuff. That is boring. We're getting there though, guys. Like, look, it's looking like a room kind of now. So what you're about to see is me working through my PR. So how I do it, I like to take photos to post and tag and thank the brand on Instagram, and then you're also able to kind of see what's new. So I'm going to take pictures of everything, then my floor is going to be even more of a mess. Going to break down the boxes and then organize my new makeup, which is going to be difficult to do because I need my organizers, but let's start working through this. My goodness, let me show you the aftermath of PR. So here is the aftermath of PR unboxing. So I'm going to throw away trash, recycle boxes, and then get the new makeup where I need it to go. And the sun is actually going down and I need to buy a lamp for this room. So this video will be over for today, and the sun is going down and I haven't bought a lamp for this room yet. So I will show you tomorrow what it looks like when it's nice and sunny, but let's quickly clean up. Lighting is worsening by the second, but I wanted to show you how we've done. Now, the closet is a mess again, but that's because I'm waiting to get that organization system, but it still is better than it was before. Look, you guys. So I need to put my monitor up to my desk. My desk is now a mess again because I pulled a lot of PR products that I would like to use for videos this week. And I obviously have to hang stuff on the wall, but I'm just holding off because I want to get like my rug in. I want to change a few pieces of furniture before I hang stuff on the wall because I'm considering maybe getting a shelf. So I still have a lot to figure out in terms of this room. It's nowhere near done. I cannot wait. I want to get like a jute rug or something. But I think for the rest of the evening, I am going to go through these drawers, make sure everything is good and organized. That's kind of boring to see. And I'll catch up with you guys in the morning. Good morning. Okay, I just wanted to show you my now functional beauty room. Obviously, it's not done. Need to hang stuff. Like I said, get that rug. And there's some changes I want to make, but you saw what we started with. So let me show you what we're ending with. I'm just so excited. I had to do a video on me prepping, preparing, organizing this room because it feels so good to have a beauty room again. It really is game changing. We have the little home workout section here. I have all of my good old Alex drawers with palettes and affordable makeup. This is a pile of stuff I need for sponsorships. I have some video prep for the week, so that's why it's a little messy. I didn't show you this, but this is how I see what I'm filming. I just have a monitor attached to my desk. There is no more boxes on the floor. I'm gonna get an extension cord so this can go around here and there will be no tripping of wires. Moving was so much easier this time since I didn't have to take any makeup out of the drawers, so we're all set up, good to go here. Now my closet, it's messy again because I need to get this last set of organizers for this stuff. But yeah, I am ready to get back to work today. I really missed it. I was off for like almost a week for this dang move. So I hope you guys enjoyed this fun little vlog sharing my excitement about my beauty room. Again, a huge thank you to Cook Unity for sponsoring today's video. Remember, if you want to get 50% off your first week of meals, use code morganturner50. Honestly, it's so worth it. Last night I had like the shrimp scampi spaghetti for dinner. Oh, so good. It makes life so much easier just to get a couple of those meals in at the end of the day. You guys know I'm a big foodie, so I was really excited about this partnership. So yeah, that's all I have for today's video. If you want any updates on the beauty room, I will definitely give them to you. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys, have a good one.